everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button and join me for my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, it's the pop-up video. I told you I'd do it. Okay, so let's jump right into this video because I don't want to make this video long, and we all know that yours truly loves to ramble. I mean, I have the gift of gab. What can I say? Hope your week is off to an amazing start, but it is Thursday, which means it is almost the weekend. Wow, the weekend. Oh, I'm excited for this weekend. Hope you guys are excited for your weekend. I will tell you on Monday what I did on the weekend. Okay, if you saw yesterday's video, I'm going to leave it linked down in the end in a little box. You can go and watch it. It's hilarious. It's my review, basically, on how I feel about the Dollar Tree and a few things that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, So as I was saying, it's a few things that I bought from the Dollar Tree. This green floral foam. I used to find it longer, but now I found it in a square and some tape and stuff. Okay, but before we start, I'm gonna do a DIY, an end of summer floral arrangement, and I wanted to do it with you guys. I'm obsessed with hydrangeas, okay? I'm obsessed with hydrangeas. I have been obsessed with hydrangeas when I found out that they're named after me. No, I'm joking. My real name is Annabelle, if you don't know that. But everyone calls me Bella, and I just go by Bella, and I love it. And I'm Bella. But my real name is Annabelle, and Annabelle are Annabelle hydrangeas. Did you know that? I did. I found out a long, long time ago, and from that moment on, I was like, that's it. These are my go-to flowers. I love them so much. Here's my biggest tip for you guys when it comes to home decor and home decor shopping. I will say this till I'm blue in the face. Always, always, always buy home decor, if you can, after season. Went to Michael's. I guess these were spring, summer, maybe spring. Let me see what it says. Spring. They were 70% off. Sometimes I know you can even find things at 90% off. I got 5 giant blooms. They're the big ones. They're $9.99 originally here in the US. I think they're way more in Canada. So for $9.99 at 70% off, that makes them $3. $3 for this kind of stem is a fantastic buy. And this is how I love to buy my home decor. I love to go at the end of the season and get home decor. You get a lot more for your money. You have to be patient and wait until next year to use it, obviously. But most of the time, and I'm telling you girls, most of the time, and I've been on YouTube now quite a while, a couple years, the home decor, like staples like this, like florals and pumpkins and Christmas wreaths and stuff like that, like seasonal stuff, they don't really change. It hasn't really changed from year to year. They bring out the same stuff year to year, and then they'll throw in like a few new things. Then buy the new things if you can. But the staple pieces like this, always buy them on clearance. Always buy them on clearance. I'm telling you, I mean, this would have cost me $50 plus tax. Like I was saying, it cost me only $15. So $15 as opposed to $50 plus tax, that's a great buy. Let's start this project. Okay guys, let's get started. I had DIY'd this a long time ago. I'll try and find the video and link it in the description box for you guys to see how I transform this. So I'm using 2 of these, and one of them you'll see here right now. I'm just going to hot glue it down in the middle. And the other one, I sliced it in 4 even slices and I put it around each. And you're going to see me here struggling with my hot glue gun because I haven't used my hot glue gun in a long time. So no judgment, please. Like I said, I was having a really hard time with my glue gun, and I started thinking to myself, I was starting to laugh at my own self. But it turned out really good, guys. The glue really, really works on these, and I'm really happy with it. Okay, about this tape. You'll see. It doesn't. Well, I suggest you don't buy it. And you don't buy it for this purpose. I really wanted to do this trick. So many of my subbies had said, Bella, when you do your floral arrangement, use the tape and make a grid. You'll love it. It's so easy. The flowers stay in place. And I thought, yep, I'm going to make this so professional. I'm going to make it work. That tape, guys, you'll see in a bit. I actually end up throwing it out. I mean, I taped and retaped and retaped, and the thing would not stay. It was, yeah, it's epic fail. So I don't recommend this tape from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I'm telling you, I tried. I really tried with this tape, but I gave up. All right, let's move on. So I'm going to use 2 of these eucalyptus bushes, and I'm going to cut them apart. Make sure you use wire cutters. They go so smoothly and so easy. And I highly recommend the wire cutters from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I wouldn't buy them anywhere else. Guys, I love it. I love it. I bought that tape. Yeah, bye-bye. Told you the tape didn't work. So what I'm doing here is I have an idea in my head and I know where I'm going to place this. So I'm kind of using the eucalyptus as a filler and also an accent. So I want it to drape down and stand up, if that makes any sense. And it's easy because these are wired and you can easily manipulate them when you do floral arrangements with full flowers. And I'm telling you, wait till you see the end project's going to turn out really good. So this might look like it's random, but I do have an idea in my head exactly how I'm going to lay this out. So just so you know, so it might look messy at the moment, but now I'm going to start using some of these summer hydrangeas. And I just think they're so beautiful. They have the most palest purple to them, or bluey purple. And I just think it ties in with the vase that I'm using, the bowl vase, and I just think it's going to turn out so good. And this is what I love about full florals. You can twist them and bend them in any way you want. Best thing. I love using full florals, guys, and they really do make a really good impact. Okay, now that I've placed in all 5, I'm going to add 2 white ones, and we're almost done. And I wish I had one more white, but I don't, unfortunately, and I did cut these down. But I think with a lot of fluffing, it's going to look just fine. And here I'm just going to add the last bit of the eucalyptus as an accent because I wasn't sure where it would look good or not, and that's what I'm doing now. Okay, sweet friends, let's decorate. Okay, these are from Pier 1. I have 2 of them. They're one of my prized possessions, okay? I hope that my camera does these justice. I've had these for so long and I love these. They're very French country inspired. They're very, very beautiful. I bought them on super clearance at Pier 1. They have a beautiful fleur-de-lis. When I turn the camera around and you see the mantle all done in detail, you will see the detail on them, because I know right now the way I'm filming doesn't show its detail, and its detail is something to be amazed by. So I'm placing 2 on either side of my fireplace. For right now, that's how I want to do it. And then I was thinking something unexpected. Something unexpected. Well, I have this little French clock. It says France, so we're saying that it's from France. It's not. I don't know where I got this. I have no idea where I got this. I love it. I love the gray chippiness of it. I love that it looks old world, but it is brand new. And I think I'm gonna just place it on an angle here so you can see it when you come in through the front door. And now our piece that we made together. Guys, this turned out so beautiful. Now I'm placing it on an angle, okay? I want it on the angle. I want the greenery to fall. That's why I did this. You zhuzh it up now. Now's the time to zhuzh this up. You know, if something's out of place, play with it now. I want that eucalyptus in the back really to show there. That one, that piece that we had sticking up, I really wanted to show because I want you to see all the eucalyptus flowing from it. And what a great idea. Now, for almost nothing, I'm gonna find the video where I made this, where I redid this piece, because I love this piece. I think it's so great. I think it really gives you that old world look and decor, and I think the mantle is gonna turn out absolutely beautiful. Now the very last thing I'm putting on is a little candle that I bought a while ago. Oh God, a long time ago. I love it. I love it. Isn't it cute? So it's an unexpected, and I'm just gonna place it here. And what I'm gonna do is take the top off and have it there with the clock and the candle all together. Let me light this candle. Okay, my sweet peeps, that is the end of the video. We did a DIY. Gorgeous, love it, love it. We're the smartest DIYers, right? And the smartest decor girls. Everybody that watches this channel is just brilliant. We are brilliant. And why are we brilliant? Because we know how to shop after season clearance. That's right. And then we create these most amazing florals and most amazing decor because we're so smart. We all are, right? We're so smart. Give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, whatever needs to be done for YouTube to send the video out in its algorithm and get us more subscribers, because that's what we're waiting for, right? I love that you spend time with me today on this pop-up video. I love that you join me on my YouTube videos every day when I post. I usually post Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're new here, I had so much fun making this video. Honestly, I had so much fun. I love doing DIYs, like being creative. Most of my DIYs are floral arrangements, let's be honest. I'm not a big crafter. I would love to be, but I'm not. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you inspiration. I hope it gives you something for you to inspire in your home, to go out and do something wonderful in your home. Summer is not over yet, but wait till you see tomorrow. Oh my. Oh my. Wait till you see tomorrow's video. You're gonna be floored. Okay, so make sure you come back tomorrow and see the fall stash. It is crazy. It is absolutely insanity. But I'm telling you, it's well worth it. So I hope this video inspired you. I hope you got something out of the video. And I wish you all a wonderful and blessed end of the week. I can't believe it's Thursday. Can you guys believe it's Thursday already? Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. Bye, guys.